Alright, so this is the St. Charles Avenue Railroad crossing in Lakewood, Ohio. This crossing is located on the Norfolk Southern Cleveland district. I'm gonna get a tour of this crossing. So right here, got yourself a good old Safetran base. Hold on a sec. Safetran gate mechanism. 2 pairs of Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights. This is the emergency information. The dot number is 472205V. And then the gate lights on this signal are NEG incandescents. 22K just went through, so can't really gauge you. That's looking east towards Cleveland, and that's looking west towards Bellevue. Like I said, 22K just went through, so I was actually able to find out what the bell here was. So, there's no cars coming. I'm gonna cross the street real quick. Here's the northern signal. Base here's the Safetran base. Safetran gate mechanism. See emergency information again. 2 more pairs of Safetran 12 by 20 inch incandescents. Right up there, we got a general signals type 1 electronic bell. And then we got more energy incandescent gate lights. And like I said, this crossing is located on the Norfolk Southern Cleveland district. This is in Lakewood, Ohio. There's more than 20 crossings here. There's about 29 to 32 crossings here. That next crossing right down there is Warren Avenue. And then there's Bell Avenue, which I'll be getting a tour of next. Alright. So, here's the relay case as well. Alright. It's the St. Charles Avenue Railroad crossing in Lakewood, Ohio.